Hi guys, this is Monica with Microbiology 225. This week I will be working on the antibiotic sensitivity Kirby Bauer diffusion test. And basically what that consists of is this test is performed using commercial filtered papers with antibiotics, which is the novobiocin, argentamicin, and the penicillin. I prepared my agar plate ahead of time, so I have it ready. I've got it in 3 sections. So basically what we're doing with this is we're going to be using the culture Staphylococcus epidermis and those 3 antibiotics, and we're looking for growth. We want to see if there's any antibiotic resistance. So with that, like I said, I have my agar plate already ready to go. I have my tools here in the alcohol, the dropper, the L shape, and the tweezers. So in order for me to get started, I'm going to take the Staphylococcus epidermis and I'm going to flame the lip to get rid of any, just to prevent from, sorry my voice, to prevent from there being like any contamination. That's what we're doing. So I'm going to take this, drop it out. All this is alcohol, so this is sterilized. So I'm gonna lip this, and I'm gonna take my little pipette, and I'm gonna get some culture in there, the epidermis, and I'm gonna place 8 drops of this culture into the agar, the petri dish. I'm gonna flame it again before I close it. Make sure that you're filming this. I want to make sure that you guys can see so you can get closer. So I'm going to place 8 drops. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And I'm going to take this here, and I'm going to use the flat part of it to spread it all over the petri dish to make sure that there's an even amount of broth throughout the entire petri dish. So once we're done with this, we're going to let it sit for 1 to 2 hours so that it dries evenly, and then when we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and place the antibiotics within the 3 areas that I divided. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll check back with you guys after 12 hours and after incubating it once the antibiotic discs have been in there. Thank you. Hi guys, this is Monica again with Microbiology 225. So now I'm doing the second portion of the Kirby test. So now that the Staphylococcus epidermis has dried out to my agar, I'm going to go ahead and place the antibiotics. So we're going to start with penicillin. I'm going to place this right where I labeled it, P and C. To the gentamicin. These aren't the greatest tweezers, so sorry. And the last one is the noble biosin. Okay, so now that all 3 antibiotics are in there, we're gonna go ahead and let them incubate for 12 hours, and then we'll see if there's any growth or any resistance. We'll see what happens.